5 approaches to keep a healthier tradition. 1. Include fruits and vegetables on your food plan. Adding fruits and greens is an ideal groundwork for beginning a healthy movement. Greens, like leafy veggies, and fruits contain abundant amounts of nutrients similar to vitamins and antioxidants that support enhance your immune procedure and combat off disorder-causing toxins. Antioxidants support battle eye ailment, promote healthy dermis, and total health. The Arena Health Institution recommends eating fruits and veggies as a commonplace a part of your weight loss program, so you'll have a greater hazard of combating some cancers, illnesses, and heart sickness. Make certain to eat 5 to 9 servings of assorted veggie and fruits per day. 2. Drink water, which you could save money and make stronger your well-being by means of ingesting water for the period of the day. The traditional liquid presents the advantages of hydration, nourishment, and expanded well-being. Water can cleanse toxins from the physique, fortify mind function, energize muscle tissues, control weight gain, and steadiness physique temperature and fluids. It's encouraged to drink about 8 glasses, or 64 ounces, of water per day. 3. Control your intellectual wellness. In the case of constructing a healthy culture, it's easy to concentrate on the physical elements of well-being and ignore the mental maintenance. Keep in mind that your intellectual health is a basis of your total well-being. It's primary to manage and assess your emotions on an everyday foundation. If you happen to believe terrible in the direction of others, you could cause more unhappiness at work, university, or on your social life. Some approaches that you could toughen your intellectual well-being include undertaking socialize with loved ones, join a club, sleep 7 to 9 hours every night time, do anything inventive. 4. De-stress regularly. It's priceless to discontinue. Take a deep breath and calm down. You could hold your physical and mental wellness by using decompressing from a long, traumatic university or work week. Try some stress-free activities to help you loosen up. Take knowledge of meditation, being attentive to track, studying, observing a comedy, or exercising. These routines can help you unwind. They usually purpose emotions of happiness and calm. 5. Pastime. The body is truly the temple of the soul, and also you don't want that temple to fall aside. Undertaking is a first-class approach to stimulate your well-being, and studies have shown that physical undertaking helps give a boost to sturdiness and overall well-being. Attempt to endeavor up to 3 times per week. The American Coronary Heart Association advises for 150 minutes of pastime every week, or an hour at the least thrice every week. Select a convenient time. Agenda out time. You would activity for half hour the morning to get energized in your day. Consider to preserve your exercises fun. You will have to enjoy your workout and now not think like it's a chore. Some fun sporting activities include dancing, yoga, aerobics, strolling, mountain climbing. These way of life hints can support you preserve a healthful and happier habits. The Branford Hall Profession Institute hopes our scholars and graduates take potential of those recommendations and share them with others.